Shahrukh,
hi, Katrina.
Shahrukh, I want to. Shahrukh here.
Shahrukh, Katrina, Shahrukh, yeah.
Shahrukh here.
Please.
I'll listen to both the questions, whichever is.
Yeah, can you see me?
According to you.
Okay, should I let somebody ask Katrina because so na jaye wo
Yeah,
yaar.
I want to ask
Okay,
her.
Katrina, my question is to you that how do you consider Mr. Shah Rukh Khan as a prime icon? Do you consider what? Katrina?
Yes.
How do you consider me as a?
Prime icon.
As
One
a-
of the prime icon of India.
One of the prime
Icon of India.
icons of India and of the world. I've just added. She wanted to say it. But
Yeah. I just wanted to correct you and say he's not a prime icon of India. He's an icon of the world and everywhere in the world.
एकदम सच बोल रही लड़की अब.
Yeah, I
Yes.
have another question for Katrina. Katrina, we as journalists always ask actors and actresses who's that one actor or actress that you guys want to work with, and we never get an answer. But after hearing such wonderful things about Shah Rukh, which are so true, can we say that, you know, it is your dream come true, or is it Shah Rukh was that one actor that you always wanted to work with? And it is after that 8 years of hard work that you finally got to, you know, do a movie with him.
It is a little unfair. Now I'm sitting here. How else would she answer it? So, मैं बाहर
No,
जाता
I'll
हूँ.
definitely answer that question because I think I'm too tired to, as you said, not tell the truth right now.
Oh.
Because I'm not slept all night. So definitely, Shah Rukh is somebody I always aspired and wanted very much to work with. And in fact, there were many times where you would interact at a conference or not a conference. What do we call them?
Function.
Awards.
Say conference
ceremony.
only sounds more intelligent. Conference.
Sorry, awards ceremony or something, and the conversation would come up, and there were many times I thought that I didn't think that we would ever do a film together. I didn't think it would happen. But what was the question?
So am I the one actor
Sorry.
or that
Sorry.
you?
I'm sorry. It's really, really late in the night. Yeah. So it definitely was. It definitely was. Yeah, you can say that. I think it was definitely a dream to work with him, and I'm happy that we did, and I got a chance to work with him in such a wonderful film like this.
I have a question for Katrina.
Thank you, Katrina.
Hello? I have a question for
Shahrukh,
Katrina.
Shahrukh.
Amul from Super Cinema. I just want to know because last time there was an event and Yash ji announced his retirement, right? So,
I'm wearing a blue shirt.
yeah. How you
And
doing?
Anamul is shaved also.
Today, just because I was
shaven.
meeting Katrina.
Just because you're meeting me, no?
Yeah.
I can see you in the middle of everybody.
क्या लिखा है तेरी टी-शर्ट पे?
I'm the after party.
I don't know.
Is
Doesn't
written,
he-
I am. His T-shirt says, "I am the after party."
Does it stand up, Amul?
Stand up, Anamul, please. Come on, come on.
I want to see if it's that. Wait, don't move. Shameful. Really, really. Shame on you. But, you're coming to a press conference.
Yeah.
Told you about
I have
that.
to look young and all.
Sorry, anyways, what were you saying?
Your first song, Jhalla, have received a quite criticism because Rabbi's voice doesn't suit you.
Challa.
Yes.
Challa ki labda phire. It's not Challa ki labda phire.
Yeah, but his voice apparently doesn't suit you. That's what the criticism says. People have been talking about it.
So क्या करूँ? Re-record कर लूँ? I think it's very nice. Rabbi, I've heard his songs before. I think this is one of the first times that he's done a playback for anyone. I think he's got one of the Sufiest, most beautiful, smooth voices. And I'm really nobody to choose the people who do sing for me. I think when you have someone like Mr. Yash Chopra, when you have A.R. Rahman Saab, when you have Gulzar Saab, and even otherwise, any director, I have never suggested a voice for myself. A lot of wonderful singers have sung for me. And I think it's really, really fantastic that Rabbi has sung this song for me. And when I was singing it, I sing my song out. I normally don't ever mouth it. I sing the song out. And I feel the song. And to be really honest, the way Rabbi has sung it, and I'm really too small a person in terms of these big names to comment on the greatness of Rabbi as a singer and as a musician, but I really felt it. I used to feel really nice doing Challa, especially the long, क्या बोलते हैं उसको जब ऐसा खींचते हैं गाने को, ताल, तान बोलते हैं, सुर नहीं बोलते हैं, Challa and all that. Oh, I used to love it. I felt really good. The veins used to stick out. I used to feel good. I used to look with love at Meera. So I don't agree with it, but then everybody has a right to say what they want to say, and God bless them. But I think it really suits me as an actor. I felt very nice singing his voice.
Another thing, Shahrukh, what age are you playing in this movie? Are you playing your age or something younger?
I don't know. What do I look like? जो जिस लड़की के दिल को भाए मेरी उम्र वही उम्र का मैं हूँ